guys, good morning. Walking around the city of Warsaw today. I'm in front of the Palace of Culture and Science. It's very well positioned in the center of the city, so it's quite nice to walk around this area and get to know it a little bit better. Such a beautiful building. Beautiful area. Sun's shining. It's great. Second time here in the old town of Warsaw. Previous time was here in December. It was way colder, but in this location there was a Christmas market full of Christmas decoration. It was so beautiful. It's nice to visit again. Now it's November. It's not that cold, actually it's quite warm. I was walking without a jacket even. Yeah, it's just beautiful.
This one's
my best side. Okay, Sophie.
Yes.
Who are you?
I'm Sophie from Ukraine. I'm 20 years old. Yes, and I'm living in Poland for 3 years. I moved here for studies, and now I'm working.
Yeah, so Sophie works in the hotel, and well, I'm
Not
staying
in
there.
But in spa.
In the spa.
Yes.
So I was in the gym, and I thought, okay, a company would be nice to go out for dinner. And then I invited Sophie to go out, and
Yes.
she took me for a little tour in the city. So it's a great company.
Yes.
She
You
taught,
too.
she taught me a lot about Ukraine, about Poland, about Warsaw. I appreciate that very much.
I really appreciate you told me about Brazil, the traditions and culture.
Yes.
A little bit.
And now we are looking for places to drink more.
More. We was in one place, Ukrainian place, Piana Wiśnia. It's like drunk cherry. So if you were staying in Poland, in Warsaw specifically, you can
Come
visit
to this area.
Yes.
Yeah, just
It's
come
old
to
town.
the old town.
Yes.
Tomorrow is the Independence
This
Day
day.
of Poland.
So they're preparing the streets for people because it will be a lot of people outside with flags and fire. We will see how it will be.
Yeah. But you forgot the best.
What?
We just had an amazing dinner.
Oh yes, of course. What we
And,
have? Seafood. Yes,
and
seafood.
it was delicious. We ate a lot. She ate for 5 people.
No, it's not. Only for one. It was grilled salmon, and you had also green salmon with
prawns.
prawns. And salad also.
You forgot also
Octopus.
carpaccio.
Carpaccio. Yes, carpaccio with octopus and starter with salmon.
Salmon tartar. Yeah.
Yes. And for alcohol we have these men are gin tonic.
Gin tonic guy.
Gin tonic guy, and I'm Aperol Spritz girl. And this is
Perfect.
part one of
Part
our
one.
vlog.
And we are
Bye.
continuing to drink now.
Oh yes.